Hello again, everyone. Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets podcast for October 20th, 2023. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. My intentions with the podcast here are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I really just want to share investment ideas so that you and I can maybe make a buck. I'm not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own, and they're just that, opinions. I invest in many of the stocks and ETFs that are featured in these podcasts. I've owned the one we're going to talk about today before, and I'm looking at buying in again. Love the dividend. With that, the disclaimer: do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. The stock I want to talk about today is Whirlpool Corporation, WHR, traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Everyone knows Whirlpool. They home appliances and more or less they sell appliances nearly around the world. Refrigerators, freezers, ovens, microwaves, any appliance having to do for home. The one thing I did see in my research is that they not just sell under Whirlpool and Maytag. They have KitchenAid, Genair, Console, Brastemp, Amana, back in that Hot Point. Some of the other ones, Gladiator, that I've heard, Speed Queen. Lots of brands that we've heard of. Really, they have quite a big, percentage of market share in the appliance business. Essentially, they sell to retailers, they sell to builders, they sell to distributors. And this company has been around for well over 100 years, and they're headquartered in Benton Harbor, Michigan. I want to show you some basic information on Whirlpool stock here. The market cap is about $6.5 billion. I think that's pretty low. This is a pretty big company, very profitable. They sell around the world, tons of assets, tons of manufacturing. Forward dividend is $7 a share paid quarterly. That corresponds to about 5.6% dividend, which is pretty hefty. That's a nice dividend. I would say also that the earnings per share that you're looking at there, in Yahoo, they have a minus $25 per share, which is just incorrect totally. The earnings per share this year are in the upper $16 range, and next year it's going to be closer to $17.50. This company has the product, and they sell a ton of it. They're in every country. They're in really every appliance store that you can find. You're going to find Whirlpool products. This is a good company, pays a dividend, and you'll see the dividend history. I'll show you that in a second. Here's what I really like about Whirlpool. Not only do I think it's a bit undervalued, but the dividend has been growing for 40 plus years. The dividend for the last 4 years has been growing at 13% per year. I really think this is a great company. Financials are good. They're not heavily in debt. They have great brands. They sell everywhere. They pay a great divvy. I like it. Lastly, to keep this short and sweet, I'll show you a chart from Yahoo Finance that I pulled. This is a 2-year chart. As you can see from the 2-year chart, this Whirlpool is oversold, well oversold. It's due for a bounce. Right now, it's about $129 a share. I'm going to start piecing in as we head towards $125 per share, maybe before that. I really think the targets on this, because of the profitability, because of the product mix, because the increase in dividends, and that'll continue. Cash flow wise is good. I think 150 to 160 is a good short term, let's say 1 year projection. And further out, if you want to hold on to this thing, I think Whirlpool's going to 200 plus. Again, that's my opinion. The trend is upward. Interest rates going down will make this thing skyrocket. With that, do your own due diligence. Take a look at the financials on Whirlpool. Do your own really decision making on this. I really think this is a good company. Whirlpool's good. Thanks for listening to JC's Stocks and Market Podcast. I appreciate it. All I'm trying to do is try to help people make money. I hope you get something from it, at least an idea. Take a look at it. The intro and outro song is a song from a band I used to play in, Just One Goat. It's a song called She's the One. I wrote it. The band made the magic and made it what it is. It has a lot of hard, let's say, deep meaning for me. And thanks for listening again. Enjoy happy investing and hope to see you next time. Thank you.
I know I'm not that beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving girl is physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. There were a few before you, but I really